Okay, let's practice with rounding off an answer using appropriate significant figures when we do a math calculation that has mixed operations. So we're going to use the multiplication division rules here and followed by the addition subtraction rules here. So when you have mixed operation problems, you want to follow the order of operations. So let's do the multiplication first. So we have 2.8 times 4.532, and our calculator shows 12.6896. But now we won't be allowed to use all 6 digits because in multiplication and division we look at each quantity and who has the least number of significant figures. So this right here is 2 sig figs. This is 4 sig figs. So when we get ready to record this answer, we're going to record the first 2 sig figs and round, but we don't want to round right here. We want to carry a couple extra digits and then we'll round our final answer, but we realize that out of this calculation, this step, we only are allowed 2 sig figs. Okay, so we have the 12.6896, and then we go plus 12.690. Now when we add and subtract, remember that we look at our digits of precision, our decimal places. We have 3 digits of precision here. We have 4 here, but now remember that we're only allowed 2 sig figs out of here. So with 2 sig figs, we really don't have any decimals of precision that we'll be allowed to use. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's add those 2 quantities together. And we get 25.3796. But referencing back to this quantity, we're only allowed 2 sig figs, so we're only going to be allowed the 12, and this 0.6 would round up. So we're really only working with 13 here is what we're working with. Okay, plus this 12.690, which does have 3 decimals of precision, but this quantity has 0 decimals of precision or digits of precision. So when we get this final answer, take the first quantity, no digits of precision, so we're going to round this to just 25. No digits of precision, no decimal placements. Okay, let's try a second example. Okay, we're going to first subtract these 2, noticing 2 digits of precision, 3 digits of precision. So we have 15.803 minus 4.76. That's going to give us 11.043. But we know that we're only allowed 2 digits of precision, so we're going to have the 0.4. So we're really only going to be allowed to use 11.04. We're going to divide that by 9.3. Okay, so now that we carry this operation out, we have to look at division and multiplication rules. This is 2 sig figs. We would be allowed to use 11.04, which would be 4 sig figs. So when we do our division, we have to take the value with fewer significant figures. So when we divide these 2, we get 1.187419355. But division rules say your final answer should have the same number of significant figures as your least significant figure quantity. So 2 sig figs here. So we'll go 1, 1, but we should round up because of the 8 following, so we'll have 1.2. 1.2. Okay, so with mixed operation calculations, we do all of the intermediate calculations, but we make note of where our significance ends in those intermediate quantities, and we only round the final answer. Okay, I hope this has helped.